J-Reiff in Luxembourg is one of the most renowned agricultural contractors in Europe. For more than 10 years we've been documenting what happens in their company in our videos. As you've come to expect from us, we'll keep you up to date with the latest news and updates here on our YouTube channel. There's so much to report for the 2023-24 season that we have split the update into two parts. We start with the August forage harvest at an impressive site 10 kilometers south of the company's headquarters. The early hours of the morning are often the best time to capture very special moments with our cameras. And this introduction of the new Krone GX on a misty morning is definitely a special moment. This general-purpose wagon, a new addition to the fleet, was purchased for year-round use. The GX differs from conventional loader wagons or forage harvester trailers not only because of its floor belt, but also because its side walls can be lowered. This allows the contractor to use the machine for universal transport needs, including for the grain, beet and potato harvests. The floor belt even makes it easy to load pallets. We get a better look inside the GX at the silage clamp. From the driver's perspective, it's worth noting that the front wall has viewing windows. The cargo area has a capacity of 52 cubic meters and is unloaded via the floor belt mechanism. The rear underride guard, which protects other road users, is folded hydraulically during this process. But let's stay with the forage harvest. Many livestock farmers ask J-Reiff agricultural contractors for large area swathers. Operating these wide machines in sometimes hilly terrain and often small fields is a challenge, but they offer great advantages. With a working width of up to 15 meters, the Liner 4900 allows the tracks of the loader wagon or forage harvester to be optimized. The harvesting chain works much more efficiently with subsequent, lower-yielding cuts. When ordering the 4-rotor swather, J-Reiff opted for the business version, which offers many automated functions based on isobus control. The optional 6-wheel rotor chassis increases the contact area and improves ground contour following. For the 2023 season, the J-Reiff agricultural contractors opted for a Fendt baler wrapper combination for the first time. The Rotana 130F is a fixed chamber baler. Employee Raymond comes from neighbouring Belgium and has already been with J-Reiff for several years. A trained mechanic who speaks French, he works mainly with French-speaking customers. J-Reiff Agricultural Contractors is located in the north of Luxembourg. Depending on customers' preferences, forage can be wrapped conventionally with netting or with film. For farmers, the latter has the advantage that the bales are easier to open and no forage gets caught in the net. In the first season, about 25% of J-Reiff customers opted for film wrapping. Switching between net and film wrapping is done from the control terminal, making the Rotana a very versatile machine. For the 2024 season, however, the fixed chamber baler will be replaced by a Rotana with a variable chamber. The fleet has also included a Gläser baler wrapper combination since 2020. From small rotary hoes to combine harvesters. Whether new machines or old ones with years of service, all implements, tractors and self-propelled machines need maintenance, service and repair. In 2023, another service vehicle was put into service to be able to respond to unplanned incidents. This VW Caddy, along with a Unimog and 2 Sprinters, will be used for quick repairs of small and medium severity faults. A gantry crane was recently installed in the workshop building to complement the heavy overhead cranes. The new crane is used for a variety of tasks in the workshop, as well as for fitting tyres and removing materials from the Intertext warehouse. The tyre warehouse has grown steadily over the years. It holds at least one complete spare wheel for almost every machine the contractor operates. This also improves the operational reliability of the fleet. As mentioned in the 2021 Innovation Update, the knife sharpening process for loader wagons and balers has been significantly improved. 3 sets of knives are available per vehicle, organised in a shelf system. To meet the growing demands of the larger fleet, the company has recently invested in another fully automatic sharpening machine. New equipment has also been installed on the paint line, namely a modern paint mixing bench. Here, workshop manager Christoph demonstrates how paint is analysed using a colour spectrometer. This process produces a precisely defined colour, which can then be accurately reproduced on the paint mixing bench. The base colour components for the job at hand are precisely calculated using a computer. This significantly reduces the amount of paint that needs to be kept in stock. This is important because paint often has to be disposed of after only a few months. In addition, stored paint does not fade as quickly as paint on the machine, especially on older models. This brings us seamlessly to our next topic, J-Reiff Fendt Classics. This is a multi-part video series available on DVD and via video streaming, which has been generously supported by the workshop. The films are dedicated to J-Reiff's extensive collection of vintage Fendt machines. Part 3 focuses on the tool carrier. The GT shaped the development of the Fendt brand for more than 50 years. Some 62,000 machines were built over that period. Fendt continuously developed the tool carrier over the years and adapted it to the needs of its customers. J-Reiff Fendt Classics Part 3 follows the development of the Fendt GT through many true-to-original film sets, as well as sets from agricultural practice. The video features many special and unique machines. The film series is now available on DVD in the Reiff Agricultural Contractors fan shop, or via 4K video streaming at www.farmworld.tv. But let's get back to the contractor and forage harvesting. In 2023, the forage harvester fleet consisted of 9 Claas Jaguars. Reiff plans to maintain this number for the upcoming 2024 season. However, the fleet is constantly being modernised. Thanks to the excellent reputation of the Reiff workshop, the company has been able to export a number of used forage harvesters. 2 Jaguars previously operated by Reiff are now working in China. One is in Poland, one in Ireland, and another in Turkey. The latest information on J-Reiff's range of used machines can be found on their website. The 950 shown here was delivered in mid-August 2023. Reiff has several years of experience with this model. This forage harvester meets the requirements of grass and maize harvesting and can be used universally. This premium line harvester has a silage additive system and a convenient automatic filling system. As the silage is being compacted, we come across another veteran in the fleet. We have filmed the Claas Xerion 3800 tractor many times before, but we always love to see it in front of the camera. In part 2 of our new product review, we take a look at updates to grain harvesting technology, among other things. We'll also look at new tillage and fertilization machines and show some early film footage from the J-Reiff Fendt Classics Part 4 shoot. Follow J-Reiff on Facebook and Instagram, and check out our feature-length films on DVD and video stream. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss Part 2 of our Innovations Overview.